strands, let me go ahead and put Steve's fire starter back in. Get these toughed up just like this. You know, you want to get these strings feathered out just like that. If you strike it and it's just on this bunched up area, or the where it's tighter, just go ahead and unfurl it, and it's definitely going to take a spark for you. All right, now that we got that figured out, let's do the snow test again. Except this time we're not going to use the striker. What we'll do, get this nice and icy. We'll just go ahead and throw it in here.
And it lights up.
And I'm curious to see what it does with the snow. Does it just melt it and keep burning, or does the snow put it out?
And getting the sense it's just going to put it out.
You know, this fire here could be affecting the snow in there, so we'll do another little test with it just by itself. You know, this would be great for snowmobilers too. You know, cross-country
skiers, yeah, snowshoers.
Snowshoers. I could see a lot of good uses for this already. You know, it's a little bit outside of the box of what we were thinking too. You know, we were just looking at it from our perspective.
Well, yeah, you know, we can't look at it initially from anybody else's perspective, so.
All right, let's go ahead and put this up here. I don't think we've ever ran 3 tests at once before, have we? No. You know, I'm really impressed with how that one did too.
Yeah, that one's still going.
I was worried this fire might be affecting the heat here and just creating a little bit of heat to melt it. So for the naysayers, that would be the true one right there. So even with it encased, it definitely did start.
And it appears that it is melting the snow around it. And then still burning what's encased, had been encased in the snow.
Unfortunately, our wind died down on us out here today too. I was kind of hoping for a nastier day. There we go. All right, now keep in mind, most of this is in a big bowl of snow too, and ice. All right, what do you think? You think it's going to go ahead and just burn and melt, or you think it's going to put it out? I think it's going to burn and melt the snow.
You know, I think it might do that.
I'm impressed with this. I think this is actually a really good product. It's a very easy fire starter. That's still going. You know, what I want to do for our next test with this, let's go ahead and do the cotton balls and Vaseline.
Yep.
And do a stare and compare. But for now, I think this is actually a pretty good start with this. We just got this from Blackbeard, and great guys to work with, very friendly, very supportive of us taking their product out here to go ahead and abuse it. Just make sure that they're not doing any kind of trickery on their videos, and I'm here to tell you they don't. They don't do any kind of trickery. There's not any quick edits or anything that I'm seeing that they do. I would say that they're an up and up group, and definitely worth the buy. For more information on their products, if you want, we'll go ahead and put a link down at the bottom of this description. See, this is still catching right here, too.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put a link down at the bottom of the description to Blackbeard's website and how you can order their great products.